Welcome to MotorMav. The P1004 is a code that is used on the Dodge Chargers. The P1004 code indicates that there may be a problem with the Shortrunner valve system. It is mainly designed to open and close quickly, allowing the engine to operate at higher speeds. Let's have a look at the P1004 Dodge Charger symptoms along with the possible reasons. Poor electrical connection. SRV harness is open or shorted. A faulty Shortrunner valve (SRV) assembly. Faulty powertrain control module (PCM). Damaged engine sensors. Let's discuss these issues in more detail and try to find a solution. First, poor electrical connection. A solution for the poor electrical connection of an engine is to check the engine's ground strap. The ground strap is a heavy wire that connects the engine block to the frame of the vehicle. Over time, the ground strap can become corroded or broken, which can cause electrical problems. Second, SRV harness is open or shorted. If you have an open or shorted circuit in the engine harness, it can cause the SRV light to come on. So, the circuit may be open because of a break in the wire or a loose connection. If this damage is noticed, repair or replace the harness as necessary. Third, faulty Shortrunner valve assembly. If your car's engine is idling too high, it could be due to a faulty Shortrunner valve assembly. The Shortrunner valve, or SRV, is responsible for regulating the air intake into the engine. You can try cleaning the SRV assembly. This can be done with a can of compressed air and a brush. Fourth, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. A faulty powertrain control module or PCM can cause your engine to run erratically. There are several possible solutions for a faulty PCM. One is to have the module professionally rebuilt. This can be done by a company that specializes in remanufacturing PCMs. Another solution is to replace the PCM with a new or used unit. Lastly, damaged engine sensors. Damaged engine sensors are a common problem with modern cars. There are a few possible solutions to this problem, depending on the severity of the damage. The most obvious solution is to replace the damaged sensor. Thank you for staying with us. See you in a new video. Till then, goodbye.